Absolute Solution, AbS, is an innovative edtech platform empowering students, educators, and vendors by addressing critical barriers in education and economic opportunity. Our mission is to deliver accessible, inclusive learning and foster collaboration in entrepreneurship, aligning with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Quill, a social hub fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing among students, lecturers, and vendors, building partnerships for innovation. My school gives students institution-specific updates, ensuring they never miss critical information like academic calendars, exam timetables, departmental announcements, or faculty news. It acts as a digital notice board, tailored to each student's school. Campus news. Students stay informed about the latest happenings on and around campus, from upcoming events and student activities to major announcements. It's designed to keep the entire university community connected and engaged in real time. Quvies, a short for quick views, designed to capture the pulse of student life through fun and meaningful polls. Students can instantly share their opinions, from academic takes to lifestyle preferences. Study tutorials. With Study Tutorial, students can easily access peer-to-peer learning support. Uploaded resources and materials are transformed into clear, easy-to-follow video tutorials that make studying simpler, faster, and more interactive. Student space, where students can collaborate and connect over academic or social discussions. With the power of number tags on AbS, students can follow trends, join communities of interest, and engage in peer-to-peer conversations that foster collaboration and belonging across campuses. AI-powered library delivers affordable academic resources, past questions, handouts, books, tutorials, and advanced AI tools like test quiz generators, accessible on iOS, Android, and web. Sabi AI is a smart, personalized assistant that helps students with research, assignments, and daily study tasks. It transforms fragmented study or research time into smart, guided learning, offering relevant explanations, academic support, and instant insights tailored to each learner's needs. Scholarships and Opportunities, AbS, provides access to life-changing opportunities. From local scholarships for Nigerian students to global fellowships, internships, and PhD programs, all tailored to your academic level and field. Students can explore and apply directly in the app and even share or post scholarship opportunities for others. It's your one-stop hub to grow academically and professionally. AbS Sidebar Menu. The AbS Sidebar Menu is your quick access tool. With a simple swipe, you can navigate through all AbS features, from Quills and the AI-powered library to opportunities, Sabi AI, and entrepreneurship. It makes exploring the app faster, more intuitive, and stress-free. AbS Notifications. Student can never miss an update with AbS Notifications. Instantly get alerts for newly uploaded past questions, handouts, and books in your department, class news directly from course reps, and even SUG updates. Notifications keep you informed and connected, ensuring you're always in the loop. AbS Blog is where information meets inspiration. From JAMB and Post-UTME updates to campus trends, academic tips, and student success stories, the blog equips students with timely insights to stay ahead. Beyond articles, students can also access opportunities in the AbS library directly on the web, making it easier to learn, research, and apply without even opening the app. It's not just a blog, it's a knowledge hub tailored for Nigerian students. Visit www.abstechconnect.com. AbS, Absolute Solution, isn't just an app, it's an ecosystem built to transform education in Nigerian universities. From connecting students through Quills, to smarter studying with the AI-powered library, to life-changing scholarships, opportunities, and our intelligent assistant Sabi AI, every feature is designed to empower students, educators, and vendors. With AbS, we're building a future where access to knowledge, opportunities, and community is just one tap away. Education made smarter, learning made easier, and success made achievable.